Yeah, hi everyone. This is Ruchika from Team Crafton. So we have been able to achieve a few of the user story endpoints. So what you can see right now in front of you is our main user dashboard, which is nothing but a chat window, and where I have been giving my queries and submitting it, to which our AI chat assistant gives us an answer. So right now, if I ask, tell me something about Mars, and I sent it out. So what we can see over here are some of the characteristics and some of the characteristics to which we have an answer. Similarly, if I give some other prompt, so we have been able to see something about Earth, depending and so yeah. So I mean, I have been giving different prompts based on different planets. So yeah, that's the result. It has given me an overall result comparing different parameters: mean distance, surface temperature, and moods. Along with this, I would also like to show you that we have also been able to complete the sign in and login flow. So user can successfully sign up and log in. So as I have already created an account, so I'll just go ahead and uh, just enter my credentials. Yeah, so here we have our user dashboard, which is very much available now. So also a user can similarly, just like login, a user can sign in. Also, we have been able to complete that story as well. So let me show you. I log it out, and if a user wants to sign up, so he can sign up as well. So we have some validations with us. Yeah, I think I have already used this account ID. That's the reason it hasn't. So yeah, here we are on the login screen. So we have been successfully able to create our login ID, and so yeah, this is what we have been able to achieve so far. So also let me tell you that our backend team has very well helped us out, making giving us like multiple APIs. So we are very much ready with just a second. Yeah, we do have in place our APIs for bookmarks, input messages, and responses as well. But we so far so now, due to some or the other issues, we have not been able to complete all the stories. But then yes, we can very much achieve that in our upcoming phases. Thank you.